Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your Mazda key fob. Mine's for a 2017 Mazda 6, but if you have a fob that looks like this, then this should work for you. For this job, you'll need some CR2025 batteries. I've linked to them in the description below, and then a kitchen butter knife will work great. There's a hidden key compartment on your fob, and you're just going to move this little switch and pull it right out, and you can set your keys aside after that. You won't need it. And then you'll just take your butter knife and you can pry the two sides apart. They're just clipped in, so they'll just pop right open. And then you should be able to see the battery inside once it's pried open. Then once it's pried open, you'll need to remove the battery compartment from inside the side of the fob with the battery. And you'll just need to separate it right there and right there. And then once it's open, your battery should pop right out. Once you've got it open, you can replace the old battery with the new one. The words and letters should be facing down. The bumpy side should be facing up, and then you'll just clip the battery compartment back in. You want to make sure that that bumpy side that doesn't have the wording on it is able to touch the part of the fob, the little metal part that you'll see right here on this motherboard. You want to make sure that the battery's touching that. And then once those two are touching, then you'll be good to just close up your case, and the fob will be in good working order. After it's all clipped back together, you can run a little test by hitting the lock button, and you'll see the light right there light up, and that means that your fob is working and you have a new replaced battery. Your key just slides right back in where it went, and you'll hear a click, and then your keys will be reattached.